Description. When faced with the word problem, the reactions we experience are different. I remember in elementary school when the teacher used to write on the blackboard with catastrophe-sized letters, problem, with its neat and rounded italics. He seemed to enjoy it. At that moment, I could observe different effects among my colleagues, most of them accompanied by the gesture of taking the head with both hands. Others seemed to enjoy the challenge, among which today I include myself, although my memory may fail me a little. But what was behind that statement? If we apply high levels of abstraction to the situation, we can surely affirm that what is proposed when enunciating a problem is that something be transformed, that certain things pass from state A to state B, different and desirable. This book was designed for anyone who wants to start immersing themselves in the world of problems and algorithms, whether out of personal curiosity or within an academic program using resources that I think are new and interesting that I have been developing through my years as a teacher. It is a foundation, in my opinion, necessary to break with the myths that surround programming. Making programs is neither more important nor more complex than solving problems. That's the challenge. What changes are the characters and therefore the toolbox. The ability, will, and talent are all ours. Thanks for downloading this book. It's my firm belief that it will provide you with all the answers to your questions.